So, got some scrap tires down there, and we're going to see if we can launch them with some Tannerite. Each of these is, I've got three of these, three tires. Each of these is 2¼ pounds, about that. But wrapped in about a third of a roll of duct tape. So I'm gonna get these things set up, and let's see if we can launch. See if we can launch some tires. If I can find the dang, there it is. Say that was quite effective. And one more. Well, that was fun. Anyways, hope y'all enjoyed the video. As always, have fun. Stay safe. Don't try this at home. And get outside, touch some grass, and stack some brass. See y'all later.